guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is sponsored by Asteria hair, and they did send me this beautiful highlighted deep wave wig that I went ahead and I added some creams to it because I wanted to almost mimic the natural curls that it had, and the deep wave curl that it came in was very close to this. I wasn't really feeling the crimps. Like, I don't know, for some reason I don't really like crimps like that. Like, I feel like I probably have to like learn how to do them properly, but yeah. But nevertheless, it came out cute, not too bad. But before we go into the video, let me just show you guys what they sent me inside the package. So the wig came inside this bag, and it is a 26-inch medium cap size. It says 180 density, but to be honest, it's very thick. Like, for 180, like, I feel like it's a little bit over 180. Like, it's very thick for a 180. Like, normally 180 wigs are a little bit thinner, but this actually feels a little bit thicker. I don't know, but honestly, Asteria hair is very on point. Like, I'm not going to lie, it's one of my favorite companies to work with. Like, whenever they message me to do a collab, I'm always happy to do a collab with them because they actually, like, they know what they're doing with the hair. So that is what the wig came in. They sent me some stocking cap, which I did use one. They sent me some lashes, headband to help melt your wig, and obviously some or a wig bag to put your wig in when you're done wearing it. But yeah, that's all that came inside the packaging, and obviously the wig itself. Now let's just jump right into the video so you guys can see how I got these crimps. And yeah, anyways, let's just go into the video.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in a rush. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are durations. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I'ma sleep a decoration. We sticking with love, I brought for you a foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. So me about that work. When you walk before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your past against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel work. You see me, I feel work. You see me do my dirt. So me about that work. When you walk out, when the girl from my
Yeah, okay. You need to get done. Let the work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come on. Yeah. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to
You send me out there, work. You see me do my da. So me about that work. When you walk out, I'm in the cash from my church.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said they put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas know me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Who no doing trades, no race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. In the dark, that they blew on my name, turn to soul, and I blew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, outside. 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, it sound like the fair trade to me. If I ever hurt one, and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, it sound like a fair trade to me. Don't invite me over here to blow another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, keep me turning up with everybody. Nah, if you fucking up with anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, gave me this ability. Now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be. It wouldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold on to salmon in my heart, that's that maturity. You don't keep it on the steady boys with security. Outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, it sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever hurt one, and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, it sound like a fair trade to me.
Rolling 80 wheels in the side. Riding 100. Gotta roll up the day, gotta get release. Turn your ass down, I'm going to the east. Rock sound, rock up in the sweet. I'ma roll on the blood, let her roll on me. Split this one down the middle, like a minute on my knee.
Assalaxx. Close your eyes to get away. Just make my mind and I know crazy. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class. That's just a starter. Get plenty things kind of life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, this chess games. But shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain, Prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment, I stay expecting it. The pessimist, gold medalist, flush the angles just so they not collecting my specimens down.
claps.
All in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your face. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Maybe you can give it something. Maybe you can another time. Maybe I'm talking crazy. Need you right in my space, and I need it, baby. I'm late, but
of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you guys would like to purchase this wig, then definitely check the description box down below. If there's a coupon code, I will put it down below as well, so you guys could definitely get some money off. But for now, this is the end, and once again, I would like to thank Asteria here for sponsoring this video, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.